Hello and welcome back to the channel Anindita Ji, where we learn, speak, and succeed. Hope all of you are doing great today. So, I am present again here with another topic or a relevant topic to the one that I have presented in the earlier video, where I have talked about uh, a very powerful reading method that is SQ3R. So, today I will talk about the reading techniques that is being used here. So, do you often feel that you are reading something, but then you are just not able to finish it at all? It just go on and just cannot finish it at all. Or you're struggling to find the key information quickly. Well, the secret lies in using the right reading techniques. In today's video, we will explore the effective reading strategies like skimming, scanning, intensive reading, and the extensive reading. So that can help you to read smarter but not harder. So stay till the end for a quick tip to double your reading speed. So why reading techniques matter? Think of it in this way that we do not always read everything in the same way. So imagine how you read a newspaper, how you read a contract paper, and how you read a novel. Do you read all of the documents in the same way or at the same speed? I don't think so. Different types of reading helps us save time and understand better. So here is how. So one is I have talked about the skimming. Now, what is skimming? Skimming is basically a technique to read quickly to get the gist of it. It means reading quickly to get the main idea without focusing on every word. Think of it as reading the headlines or getting a gist for the gist of the content. So when do we use skimming? When we are reading a newspaper or magazine, or if you are reviewing a book before deciding to read. So suppose you have gone to a bookstore and you quickly browse over the key points and just try to understand what is this book all about, so that you can decide whether you want to buy this or not. Or in other cases where you're quickly going through an article for some key points. So how one can do skimming quickly or effectively? So you can read only the headings, subheadings, first and the last sentences, or you can look for the bold or the words those are highlighted or they are written in the italic fonts. So you can ignore the unnecessary details. So you can understand at least that skimming will help you to understand 60 to 70% of the content in a very few seconds. Then next is the other technique is the scanning. So scanning is when you are looking for some specific information without reading the entire text. So when do we use scanning? When we are looking for a word in a dictionary, when we are finding a date or name in a document, or you're checking some exam questions for answers. For example, if you're reading some historical text and you're looking for some place of occurrence or a specific date when something has happened, so then you will be using the scanning technique. How one can do scanning effectively? So you can use your finger or eyes to run through the text quickly. These days, again, there are some devices available which you can just affix to your finger and then go through. Those are available on several online or e-commerce. So maybe I will tell you the name of such devices in some of the earlier, in the upcoming videos. Then you look for keywords and numbers and names. So ignore everything else. You're just specifically looking for those keywords, numbers, and names, as I said. So scanning will help you to find the key details within seconds. Then let us talk about the intensive and the extensive reading. Intensive reading is when you are reading with a deep focus. This is usually used for studying difficult materials and you're focusing on understanding the grammar and the vocabulary part of the text. So, for example, when you're reading textbooks or research papers, you'll be using this intensive reading technique. Whereas an extensive reading technique is used when you are reading some material in a casual and a fun way. So it will help you to improve fluency and comprehension, and you can focus on the enjoyment and the general understanding of the text. So usually when you're reading novels, blogs, or short stories, we do a reading in an extensive reading pattern. So here what you can do is you can combine both the methods. You can study with intensive reading and relax with the extensive reading, depending upon what is the intent of your reading. Okay. Now that you know these techniques, here's how you can apply them daily. That is, practice skimming by reading the news headlines, and try scanning when you're searching for some specific information. Reading for fun, then it will be extensive, and if you're doing some study deeply, then it should be intensive. So which reading technique do you use most? You can comment below. And if you have liked today's video, please hit the like and share button. And also, if some of you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please do hit the subscribe and the bell icon button, so that you get the regular notifications. See you in the next video. Till then, stay well, and see you soon. Bye bye.